Discover EscambiaLawnEquipmentCenter.com, your Cub Cadet lawn tractor and Steel Power lawn equipment dealer, repair and service center. Are you looking for high-quality, cutting-edge lawn equipment? Do you want the reassurance of buying from an expert company that provides professional servicing and repair? Well, you're in the right place. At EscambiaLawnEquipmentCenter.com, we offer a full line of mowers, tractors, vehicles, tools, and equipment from the quality manufacturers, Cub Cadet and Steel. We have everything you need for your lawn care needs, big or small, and we provide only the best products for your lawn care requirements. Explore our Cub Cadet range. Cub Cadet is the largest provider of outdoor power equipment, an innovator and manufacturer of top-performing premium quality riding mowers, lawn tractors, zero-turn mowers, and other outdoor power equipment. Discover the sophisticated engineering that goes into every machine. So why choose EscambiaLawnEquipmentCenter.com for your lawn care needs? We have been in the top 100 dealers for several years. We serve South Alabama and Northwest Florida areas. We provide service, parts, warranty work on Cub Cadets, and we have a wide range of residential and commercial lawn products. So what are you waiting for? Visit EscambiaLawnEquipmentCenter.com or call 251-368-1580 today.